wireless security system. When purchasing this kit, you must get the NVR itself, wireless, 4 bullet cameras with their own antennas and adapter, the adapter for the NVR as well. You will get the user manual and the quick operational guide, along with the accessories. Now, let me show you the NVR itself. So, of course, the antenna, because it's wireless. We have the HDMI input, we have the Ethernet input, the USB, and, of course, the power adapter. Every camera has their own cables and their plug for the power. Also, they have their own antenna that you screw from the back and fix it the way you need it. When you plug it, it should go this way from their own power adapter. Now we're gonna do a quick setup of our NVR IP wireless system. First, every camera has their own power adapter, so we have to plug them one by one with our cables. So we plug them all, and now they have power. Then we have to connect our display to the NVR. To do that, we're gonna use the HDMI cable. But if your monitor, like this one, does not support HDMI, you will have to convert it to it. This is a VGA monitor. So, for that purpose, we're gonna use this HDMI to VGA cable adapter. So, we're gonna plug it, and then it goes to the NVR. Finally, our mouse, our internet, and the power adapter. And in a few seconds, we must see the feed from the 4 cameras into the display. Now the system is booting, alright? So it's gonna take a few seconds. HDDs are not found. What does that mean? Do not panic. That's because this NVR does not come with the hard disk. Some models do, some models don't. So be mindful of that. This is not a problem. So after a few seconds, that window is gonna close itself, and we're gonna proceed to the installation of the APP, and we're gonna continue with the installation of the app in your smartphone or mobile device. Now we have to download the app, register an account, and add up our system, our NVR IP wireless kit. Now we go to OK. You have, depending on your device, you have Android and Apple devices, of course, so you will have to scan it. With that, you download the app. Once you have the app download, you will have to add this QR code, which means that you will be adding the NVR. So I'm gonna do that now. Alright, I got it here. Next step, save it. And I got it right here. I'm gonna show it to you in just a few seconds. And there you go. Okay, so as you can see, the feed is automatically in your mobile device. That means you can have it anywhere, any place in the world, right? Okay, well, that was this introduction of our ANNKE wireless IP system. And if you have any other question, please go to the website www.annnke.com. Thank you.